for the celebration of Trikonam 2025. Onam isn't just a
festival, it's a feeling of togetherness and unity. May this Onam bring you endless blessings and fill your heart with joy and happiness. Before we move on, I would like to call upon Miss Anaya and team to lead us in prayer. Kindly rise.
Pradhamam vakratundam cha ekadandam dvidiyakam tridiyam krishna pingaksham gajavakram chaturthagam lambodaram panchamam cha shashtam विगडमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तदास्तमं नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननं द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यस्पडे नरः नक्षविघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरं प्रभो
Made an impressive entry into the field of professional education in the year 1996 by introducing the first university-affiliated design course in India. Since then, it has registered trailblazing track record of success, with a continuous success rate in almost all its courses and with placement for students after completion of the courses. The college today attracts students from all over India and also from foreign countries. KARAVALI colleges provide highly innovative, skill-oriented, university-affiliated courses which empower the new generation to get the right career break in these fields. The institutions not only provide students with quality education, but also groom them to face life with confidence. Excellence in education is the driving principle at KARAVALI colleges. No effort is spared in providing students with a focused academic environment which nurtures complete development of personality. College has registered continuous superlative performance by successfully bagging maximum number of university ranks. KARAVALI group of colleges have 4 independent campuses at Kotara Chowki, Vomanjur, Neerumarga and Bangalore with more than 40 courses. I would now request Ms. Sejal Shetty to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, one and all. It's my proud privilege to stand before an auspicious gathering to welcome you all on behalf of KARAVALI Group of Colleges on this occasion. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, on this memorable moment, the founder and managing trustee of KARAVALI Group of Colleges. Now I request Mr. Puvanna to garland our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, as a token of our love and respect. I would also like to welcome our dignitary, Srimati Lata G. Rao Ma'am, Director, KARAVALI Group of Colleges, Mangalore. Ma'am has always been a support to this KARAVALian family with her ever-smiling face and has motivated us in every way for activities, showering her endless blessings on us. Now I request Ms. Sinchana to hand over a bouquet as a token of our love and respect. I take this opportunity to welcome Advocate Jamshid Khalid, Mentalist and Career Counselor, Managing Director, Audit Info, and Mr. Suhail, Director, Audit Info on this occasion. Now I request Ms. Saujanya to hand over a bouquet as a token of love and respect. Welcome you, sir. like to gracefully welcome all the principals and administrative officers of Karavali Group of Colleges present here for the Onam celebration. I welcome the teaching and non-teaching staff and the one directly and indirectly concerned. I welcome the press and media people who have come here to witness the celebration. And a warm welcome to all the students of Karavali Group of Colleges. Welcome you all.
Welcome you too. As we proceed, we have come to the most important aspect of the inaugural function. It is with great honor I would like to call upon Srimati Lataji Rao ma'am, the Director of Karavali Group of Colleges, and our Honorable Chairman Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, founder of GR Medical College and Karavali Group of Colleges, to inaugurate and mark the beginning of today's session in a traditional way. Karavali Group of Colleges was born out of educational vision of our chairman sir. Being futuristic, he could foresee the changes in the environment and make strategic moves to build a better society. Enterprising, spirited and ever-smiling personality of Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, founder chairman, Karavali Group of Colleges is a classic example of hope, determination and achievement. His struggles and achievements have been richly rewarded and recognized, and has earned a fair share of them. Sir's able, efficient, and dynamic leadership has won widespread appreciation and is a recipient of several national and international awards given in recognition of his extraordinary service in the field of education, especially in untapped professional areas. The influence of his vision and dreams permeates through every activity of ours. Now, I request our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, to kindly address the young minds.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, especially Director of the group, Madam Lataji Rao, today's Chief Guest, Advocate Jamshed Khalid and Mr. Suhail, all the principals, administrative officers, members of the staff, and dear sweet students. It's not only Onam, where we have recently celebrated Janmashtami, Ganesha Chaturthi. Today is Onam. It's a continuous festivals. Students, we should understand why we are celebrating this. Why our elders are celebrating all the festivals together. See, life is like, it is always like a match, like a competition. You will have, sometimes you win the competition, sometimes you lose. Everyone has their own problem. Take the Prime Minister to ordinary sweeper or cleaner. Take 100 plus old man or even a newborn baby. Everyone will have a problem. Even small children, they have their own tensions. If they are going to KG class, they are worried about the homework, what they will say. When it comes to primary class, they have different problem. When it comes to high school, it's the 10th fear. Plus 2, all of you enjoyed or suffered that. Then professional education, then starts your career. So problems are never ending. See, God is such a smart, He creates, He gives happiness in one hand, and also He gives sorrow and problems in another hand. You will be successful when you know to balance between these two. Whatever comes to you, we call it karma. You should enjoy. Now we are students, you should enjoy the student life. Tomorrow you will be employees or employers, you will be in a professional field, you should enjoy. Tomorrow you'll get married, you will have a family, you should know to enjoy. So all these functions are celebrated just to ensure that you never become dull. In this also, somebody may be having back pain, somebody may be having headache, somebody may be having leg pain or back pain. Whenever the functions come, especially religious or social, Ganesh Chaturthi, entire, you go to Maharashtra, you go to Mangalore, Bangalore, anywhere, every street you see, nobody tells the complaints, I don't have money, I belong to this political party, I belong to this, religious party. Nobody speaks about caste, community, religion, region. All are united. So Onam is one such festival, entire Kerala and Keralians all over the world. It is not only, Kerala, all over the world they celebrate. Just to, that the life interest, we call it a life interest. Whenever there are problems, we should dream what we have enjoyed. Performing puja is enjoyment, going to mosque is enjoyment, going to church is enjoyment, enjoying the student life is enjoyment, having good friend circle is enjoyment, watching a movie is enjoyment, sacrificing is enjoyment, helping others is enjoyment. We should always recall the good things when we are little down. You have failed in examination, you are not able to get a seat, you have fees problem, you have some other problem, you have health problem. So once you go on thinking about the problems, without your knowledge you will be inefficient and you will dull and gloom. At the same time, dream. College days I have enjoyed, professional life I have enjoyed, festivals I enjoyed, everything, whether it is a Navaratri. There are so many religious stories behind this. Here also Bali and, that story you know. He is none other than, Choto is none other than, he is a god actually. God wanted to check that, kings, a king was known for his truthfulness. King was known for so many other things. So God asked, but the king was successful. He was ready to, give everything of his life. That is the reason, my students, whenever you get a chance to enjoy, you enjoy the life. It may be anything. I always say, you need not have alcohol for enjoyment. Even 4 good friends, whether boys or girls, if you sit together, if you enjoy even a glass of water, that will give you the kick of friendship. Because friendship is a pure and friendship is always enjoyable. That is the reason, my dear friends, Onam gives a lot of messages. Onam is a festival of nature. Usually we celebrate in the ground. Today there was a fear of rain and unfortunately first time we have less quantity for Onam. Engineering classes have not started full. Pharmacy's examination preparation, Ayurveda is examination, so many problems. Even admissions have not completed. We are in between. Actually, it is a holiday mode. In spite of that, otherwise, senior students, thousands of students will be there. Whether thousands are there, hundreds are, it is not the material, it is not the subject. Subject is how much you enjoyed, how much you, carry forward. You remember. You see, any successful man, whether he is an industrialist, politicians are the best examples. Media they blame, electronic media they blame, they make them totally naked. Next day he comes, Vanakkam, Salam. See, I will not say it is a mistake. I will not say it is a wrong. They know how to balance. Businessman you say, anyone, Ambani, Adani, Tata, Birla, you think they don't have problem? I remember Tata started a unit at Kerala and West Bengal. Both the units were closed because of the government policy. That time communist. Now today communist is not like that. Kerala they are opening the colleges. They are opening the, industries. That time communist was like that. They closed. Crores of rupee was a loss. You think they were discouraged? They shifted the entire plant, entire the industry to nearby state. You take anything and everything. You file a case in the court. Chances are 50-50. You may win, you may lose. You go to a doctor, you have a severe problem, health problem. Doctor says, pray God. And many times, patient loses the battle because of the less confidence. If you are confident, doctor's medicine is 50%. 50% is your confidence. 50% is your faith on yourself, your faith on God. If you have faith on God, you will have faith on yourself. You will be always confident. When we lose, we don't believe God. I'm not telling about Hindu, Muslim, Christians. Believe in God. This is a wrong age, I know, but still blindly believe. Second, have faith on yourself. Always I say, you should know to love yourself. If you don't respect yourself, if you insult yourself, if you don't know the value of yours, if you don't know the capacity of yours, how you can expect others should support? Once you know, you can do it. Once you know you are upright, once you know that you are hardworking, once you have set your dream very high. Let me give the example of this college, especially juniors. 1996, we started this college with one course, interior design, in a rented building. Then we started fashion design. After 5 or 6 years, we shifted to Kottara building. We have outrightly purchased that, complex. It was a commercial place. Everybody was shocked. Usually people convert college into commercial building. I have converted commercial building into college. Because I knew I will reach this level. That is the confidence. If you ask me what is God, it is your confidence. Tomorrow you want to reach this level, set the goal, pray God, be happy. What is the medicine to be happy? Eat well 3 times, drink sufficient water, have little physical activities, don't sit dull and gloomy only with mobile like this. And last, dream. Nobody was great when they were born, whether it is Amitabh Bachchan or Mammootty or Kamal Haasan or Rajanikanth. Rajanikanth was a bus conductor. What will happen to other conductor? I am a conductor, I don't have income, my life is gone. But a bus conductor is reaching the height. Entire nation, you ask, who is Rajanikanth? They know it. Who was Amitabh Bachchan? You think he was a great man? His father was a writer, equivalent to a teacher. Today his voice, kaun banega, karor. That voice is worth crores. You take any actress, Hindi, Kannada, English, Malayalam, Tamil, everywhere. So end of the day, my dear students, celebration of Onam is to enjoy the life. And ensure that always you recall whenever you are little dull because of the fever, because of the internal assessment, because of the marks, because of the fees problem. Tomorrow jolly kittu, definitely jolly kitlu, jolly satisfaction kittu, that is left to you. You should set your goal. Idu nalla jolly alla, change it after 2 years. But you should get the experience. There are nurses, there are physiotherapists, there are hotel management, there are design students, there are engineer students. You should set your goal. I will reach the goal, I will reach the height, I will do this. Otherwise, if say the back pain, leg pain, food nalle, salary kittille. 1 year, 2 year, ettara salary kittu, attara less salary also you have to work. You get the experience. Once you have the experience, people will come to you. No field is bad, no field is weak. And Onam is not celebrated by only rich people or a particular community. Life is like that only. You have to decide which job you have to do. You have to decide which food you have to eat. You have to decide how you have to live. For this, the basic is a confidence. For the confidence, always you should have that creativity. These festivals, whether it's the Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami, Sharadosava, Onam, Christmas, Eid, everywhere you see happiness. See, Eid day, every Muslim, or anything, 1 or 2 functions, they have limited. Christmas, you show me one Christian who is not celebrating Christmas. Show me one Christian. Not only Christians, we celebrate, I celebrate. See, it is a festival just to create a mood. So what is the meaning? If you want to be happy in your life, you can be happy. You need not wait for one Onam, one Christmas, one Eid, one Diwali. Every day should be the celebration. Every day should be the festival. The mindset. When you get up only, you should decide, today I will be happy. For what? For no reason. It is raining, you enjoy the rain. It is a hot sun, you enjoy the hot sun. It is chill, you enjoy the chillness. Walk if possible. When it is raining, enjoy the rain. Throw the umbrella. Your age permits. Maximum what will happen? One day you will get fever. So, dear students, Elders and seniors, maybe 100 years, 1000 years, 10,000 years. They have made all these arrangements. It is not your politicians, CM or Prime Minister introduced Onam. Manasla, it is not Deepavali is not introduced to BJP, Congress, Janata or Communist. Our elders knew what was the tonic. Tonic is a celebration, uniting the nation. Hindu, Muslim, Christians are all created problems. It is left to the people. You celebrate whatever you want. You believe whatever you believe. Belief is personal. Dressing is personal. Eating is personal. Whether you want to be veg or non-veg, it is your choice. Who is other one to challenge it? Whether you want to be Muslim, Christian or Hindu, you don't have choice. Whatever your parents, you belong to that community. Whether you apply to be Hindu, whether you apply to be Muslim, whether you applied for Christian, no. Your parents have produced you, you are happy, you believe in that God. If you are ready to agree, you may not agree. There is only one God. You call it Jesus, you call it Allah, you call it Rama, you call it Krishna, you call it anything. God. We have divided God. Like how we divided Kerala, Malayali, Karnataka, Kannada, Andhra, Telugu, there Tamil. One region selected. So we selected our region, we selected our politicians, we selected our, whatever facilities. So, second is the changes. Always life is not, fixed water. You just experiment in your house or nearby, you have some water. It is not, moving there only. What will happen? It will sting. Not only mosquito will come, it will sting. Once the water is flowing, we call it God, Ganga, Tunga. You know how Prime Minister has given importance for Ganga. I don't know, successful or not successful. That's a different issue. But the prominence was given to the rivers. Like education is flowing like water. Knowledge is flowing. Relation is flowing. Friendship is like that. You have one friend. Because of that you have another friend. Because of that you have another friend. Friends. End of the day, we are all human beings. We are all here to lead our life successfully, fruitfully, and everyone has the right to enjoy. While enjoying, we should not trouble others. Again, the law comes, common sense comes, social restriction comes, religious restrictions comes. For your mother, you are the sweet girl and you are the handsome boy. That is sufficient. You need not wait for somebody's certificate. Adu kutti handsome illa. Who said? Which angle? See, latest Kannada. What is it? I don't know name. Some heroes are coming. Baldi. First when I saw in one mutte kate, I thought, what is this? Now today he is a successful hero. Even Malayali, Tamil, Telugu is acting. So it is not the physique. It is the inner beauty. We should know. See, that man is very confident. He comes with a lungi only. No pant, no kit, nothing. Some move in fighting also with the suit only. So what I mean to say, never ever have that inferior complex. I can't do this. It starts from the college. I can't pass. Exam is very difficult. Joli kitto ille. Whether I get the job. Who said? There is a demand for every professional. The problem with the industries are, they are not getting good professionals. They are getting only degree holders. Karavali is trying to produce good professionals so that any company and every company should really appoint you. Otherwise, only, appointment, only certificate, graduation. Morality is required, legal sense is required, hard work is required, discipline is required. All these should come from the college life. And I am sure Karavali gives that directly and indirectly. That question I will ask on the send-up day, not today. And students, all the batches, it is almost 28 years. 28 years non-stop. So with these few words, my dear students, I wish you all the best. I thank the organizers. I thank all my esteemed guests. You have made up your time from all the way you have come. We have very strong PR team. They are all helping, supporting us in a very dignified manner, and we will reciprocate. One thing I will assure both the guests and all my friends, you will never regret for sending students to Karavali. ये मेरा वादा है. That is my commitment. Never. Not only academic, I am telling. I always tell whenever I get an opportunity to meet the parents, especially Freshers Day, you bring all the parents this year also. We'll have a grand Freshers Day. Around 1,000 students Freshers Day we'll have. I inform the parents. I challenge the parents. Tomorrow, along with the degree, you will get your daughter back and you will get your son back. And there are many professional colleges, you can get only degree certificate, you will not give the children back because of the ganja, because of the alcohol, because of the ragging, because of any other problem. I would like to challenge, I would like to appreciate the team. Never ever it has happened in Karavali. It is not going to happen. If anybody dreams of that things, they will be just kicked out of the college. We don't want such student. We don't want such a system. Because parents dream. Students' life. No one can play that. With that reason, indirectly we are not doing in a military system here. We are not very strict actually. We are reasonably strict. But actually inside we are very strict. Because we will not tolerate means we will not tolerate. It's a zero tolerance for anything. They have to be civilized citizens so that it is not only getting the degree, it is not only getting the employment, they should be successful. After 10 years, when they come to college, when they meet you, they should say, Cheta, thank you. Naito, what happens? Wrong choice. Somewhere we are pushing. What happens? You see, I don't want to quote any region or any college name or course name. Everyone knows. Students are also not kids. They also know. So, we are only teaching what we are telling. Enjoy yourself. Love yourself. Respect yourself. Have confidence. Come out with flying colors. Get a good job. And always be Karavalians. Karavalians will not be extremists. No bomb blasting. No, AK-47. See, nothing will work. There is no medicine for the war. What is happening? Many countries, Trump comes or anybody comes, war is not stopping. Because it is a pessimist attitude. I have power, I want to hit you. But Karavalians, tomorrow if you get a power, you are not hitting others, you are serving others. You are helping others. That is the Indian culture actually. If Indian becomes superpower, whether it is BJP, Congress, I am not bothered. If India becomes superpower, may become, I think, in the next 15-20 years, definitely wars will come down. We will not be another America, we will not be another China, we will not be another Russia. And we should not be. If we are not Indians. The very Indian culture is taking together, getting involved. Be happy always. You see anyone, all are happy. Even go to a village, they may be eating one time or twice, but there is a smile. Now what is happening? We have IT-BT, lakhs together salary. Gumma. College also they are not smiling. After getting employment also not smiling. Girls, if you don't smile, if the boys come to see you, they will run. Oru smile, ah? Nalla. Girls should smile because God has blessed you to smile. Boys should be always straight. Boys also should smile. Or if you are very over serious, like thinking what will happen tomorrow, forget the girls. Even girls' photo will not come to you. Understand? So to be happy in life, always be creative, always be sportive, always be happy. Don't pretend, accept as it is. You got less mark, accept as it is. Select a course which is suitable for that. Select a job which is suitable for that. You have less money, select a path like that. You need not be Ambani or Adani. Or Ambani or Adani were also not rich, for your kind information. All the speech we are talking about Ambani and Adani. Ambani's grandfather was a petrol bunk employee. So you can also reach a height, provided you decide for that. With these few words, as usual, I want big sound. Onam. Clap. And unless 100% students guessed, everyone claps with a little noise, good noise. Don't bark, make some noise so that everybody should be happy. Once I know Mugambo is kush, hua. I'll also be. Otherwise, why I have to come? Full zone. What is the maximum you can do, you do it. Start. ಅದು 30% ಆಯ್. What I am telling, you should be optimum. You should use your capacity as a graduate and postgraduates to be successful. Optimum 100% level. If a students level, clapping only 30%. Oh, endadu. What is my age and what is your age? You are stronger than me. That oh means, the building should shake. Now start. Anyway, thank you. You will be happy. And the message of the Onam. What is the message? 30 minutes you heard the speech. Message of the Onam is, we are all one, we are all united, we are Indians. Never ever talk that I am BJP, Congress, Janata, Hindu, Muslim, Christian. God has given us a birth. We are Indians. We are here to enjoy our life. We are here to be successful. Always and always you will get united and we will get involved. Second, Bhagwan ne kya likh diya, we will enjoy that. Whether you are Motu, Chotu, Kala, White, whatever it is, you are a hero, you are a heroine, and have that and walk with that and you will be successful. Third, only thanks. I love you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of encouragement and motivation. Chairman, sir, to hand over the bouquet to our PR team as a token of love and respect. Thank you, sir. We have come to the end of formal function. I call upon Ms. Saujanya to propose the vote of thanks.
Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. To our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, the founder and managing trustee of KARAVALI Group of Colleges, for your indigenous presence. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Srimati Lata G. Rao Madam, the Director of GR Education Trust, for her gracious presence during this occasion and also for her support and encouragement in all our events. Thank you, ma'am, for your presence. Our sincere thanks to all the dignitaries on the dais and fraternities of KARAVALI Group of Colleges. Thank you all. I thank the teaching and non-teaching staff for their coordination and support. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the media people who capture the moments and place on record. Before I conclude, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the students gathered here. Thank you all.
Request all the dignitaries to upsit off the dais and enjoy the cultural events.